College is so expensive. I had to buy a parking spot for her. And I was like, you want how much? For just the fall semester? That isn't for like all 4 years? Hi guys, if you are new to my channel and if you're just tuning in because I can see how many new subscribers I'm gaining per actual video, I am in the middle of a college series. Most of it is actually going to be Dollar Tree, so I'm calling it a Dollar Tree college series, but you would probably by now have seen the Amazon haul of just college essentials that I've been buying. There are just some things at the end of the day that you're gonna have to step outside of things like Dollar Tree to get. However, today's video is going to be Dollar Tree items that are essential. But if you have, you know, your child is going to college as well, or you just have a child going into high school, this would just be a really great time to keep some of these things in the back of your mind, put them in your pocket. And I'm just one of those people where I like to be very prepared. I have been preparing for this day for the last 4 years since she's been in high school. This is basically about her dorm room. I've already kind of described her dorm room in a previous video. I think it was in the Amazon haul, so I'll link it down below, and the other Dollar Tree haul that I've already done, which had study supplies and dorm room decor, so be sure to check that video out so you can see all the adorable things that you can get from Dollar Tree. Because, am I gonna say this in every video for these college series, but college is expensive. And sometimes I flatline, sometimes I come back, somebody grab a crash cart, cause... So one of my favorite containers, which I actually have in my house, and they are these gorgeous acrylic organizers. Now, I actually mentioned this in my Amazon haul, but these are very small and I want to purchase larger ones that have like a drawer system, and Dollar Tree just doesn't have larger acrylic drawer systems. I wish they did. These are really just a perfect little size, and it shows you that they have cotton balls. This is what I'm gonna get for the girls. Put some like cotton balls, cotton pads for their face stuff, and some ear swabs, you know, little things like that that will go in their little vanity section of their dorm room. So these are gonna be great. They're $1 each. They're also beautiful enough to just organize in general. You could put them in your drawers, you could put them on top of your drawers and store your jewelry, you could put them on your desk and store your little things. So perfect for just so many things for college, especially if you have a little coffee station. You could put your K-cups in those. Yeah, so just throwing out some ideas for you. So this next item I feel like is going to be a great essential. Everything I feel like needs a place and a home in a small space like a college dorm room. And we are going to actually store their eating utensils in here. Forks, spoons, knives. That way they are just all in one place. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But as you can see, it's still a really nice size as well. A lot of other organizational things that you could use with this in a dorm room as well. Here is an acrylic little drawer. I feel like this is acrylic, and the only thing about these is that it's not like a drawer system where there's a top. So I still need to go to IKEA and get some of those, but I feel like this is going to be great in a desk system, in a drawer system. You could put, you know, just loose jewelry and change or just whatnot kind of in here. Here is another organizing system, another beautiful acrylic drawer. I just think these are beautiful, and they're $1, which is insane. As you can see, you can store jewelry, all kinds of little things in here. I'm not really sure how the girls will use this, but we'll take it with us and see, you know, where things kind of end up. Here is another organizer. Again, all of this organizing stuff I just feel like is essential for college, and I just wanted to show you guys all the different options of what I'm taking. I feel like this will be something my daughter will store study supplies in, just sticky notes, flashcards, pens, highlighters, pencils, calculator, like all of those little things. I feel like most of it can be secured in a container like this. In my Amazon haul, I showed you guys her caddy that I purchased that was about $12. That's pretty expensive, and we're using it for their cleaning system. But look, Dollar Tree has it for $1. Now, I obviously knew Dollar Tree has this because I've purchased quite a few of these in my day. We just wanted to kind of go with a color that Dollar Tree simply doesn't have, which is that sherbety cantaloupe pastel orange. I wish they would bring out some pastels in their organizing section of Dollar Tree, but I wanted to show you they have white, and we're still gonna bring this because there's other places to store things, and we'll probably use this for something like first aid kits and you know, sunblock and bug spray kind of thing. So we'll just use. Here is another one that I wanted to show you guys, this other cute little option. It is a little bit smaller. I just wanted to show you there's different colors. It's going to be great for boys. The next item ironically says essentials on here. It's a collapsible storage container, and I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory. This is going to be great in drawer system, in the closet, just a way to keep everything kind of contained instead of, you know, flying around or just laying loosely by themselves. And yeah, I think these are great, and I picked up the lighter color. They come in different height, they come in different colors, and that's amazing too. From Dollar Tree, I wish that they carried black and white, but they carry dark brown, they carry this color. I've seen bright blue, bright pinks and purples, things like that, but I think these are a must. Here's another great item, again in the essentials line from Dollar Tree, and you get 2 in here, so this is amazing on a college budget. That's why I love Dollar Tree so much. These are sweater storage bags. These are going to be great to kind of keep some of the bulkier items contained away. Now, my daughter's not going to take all of her clothes at once. She's going to take the things for, you know, towards the end of summer and a little bit of fall, and then whenever she comes home for like Thanksgiving break, she'll then bring some of those summer things home and switch out for like the winter things. But this is just, it doesn't have to be for sweaters, it can be for blankets, it can be for extra towels. So this is just a really great system, especially for moving day. Even if you don't end up using this in everyday college dorm room life, this is a great item to just pack everything for moving day. Now this item is one of my favorites. I could just rave about this item so much. It's a vacuum storage bag. I use these to take with me on vacation because we drive to our vacation and it's pretty far, and there's, you know, a lot of kids in my car, and I've got to just maximize the space in my luggage, and I will use these to put away our beach towels. So these are going to be great for moving day, maximizing the space in our cars with all the stuff we've got to pack in, and even just for her to kind of use and store somehow in her room. Next up is going to be some laundry essentials. This is amazing. You've got to do your laundry at college, and this one is a non-woven laundry bag. They also make little pop-up hampers, which I love to take on vacation. It's one of those really great items because very little space to take with, and then this can just fold down. The pop-up can collapse down, and this one is a delicate wash bag. How cute is this? So you would probably put some intimates and bras and things like that in here, and then you just close it and throw it in the washing machine so that they don't get ruined or even ruin other clothes. Another item in the same essentials line, and it is these storage bags. You get 3 in here for $1. That's mind-blowing. This is going to be great for moving day. As you can kind of see all the things that you could probably fit in there. If this camera would just autofocus for me. And I plan on using these for move-in day, just food, snacks kind of thing, first aid kits, all of those little loose things that I don't want to carry in like shopping bags. I'd rather have something a little bit larger, less trips, and then we could dump it out and then reuse it for something else. All right, next up is going to be an over-the-cabinet towel bar. Look what Dollar Tree has for you guys for $1, and this is gonna be great again just for a small space. You probably, they don't, in her dorm room, they don't have a, I don't think they have a hook for you to hang your hand towel in the little sink that they have. I'm sure they have those in some dorm rooms, especially the ones that come with suites in the bathroom, but theirs do not. So this is going to be great to put, you know, under the sink, and look, it's also adjustable, which is amazing. And then the girls can kind of hang one towel here, and yeah, it's perfect for $1. Here is another over-the-door hook. Again, it just kind of maximizes just some blank wall space. They're probably going to need to hang up their robes. That's one thing they're probably going to need to have because they're doing a community bathroom. They don't have their own bathroom in their dorm room. And so they'll probably want to wear robes from, you know, to the shower and back. So the robe is probably something that's gonna have to be hung up and not folded and put away. So this is a great option. There's 2 hooks, one for her friend's robe and one for my daughter's robe. Speaking of additional hooks, they have the removable hooks. In most colleges, dorm rooms, you cannot put any nails or holes into the wall. Some of them do have like a cork board, so you could do like thumbtacks and push pins, but otherwise you can't really hang up your wall art or anything like that using nails. You can't use that to hang up curtains. Like, you have to get creative and use things that can come easily off the wall and not leave any, you know, marks in the room. So Dollar Tree has these little removable hooks. Next up is going to be a dry erase board. Look at this. I also love the size. I feel like you could probably do a bigger size depending on how the person wants to decorate their room. But Dollar Tree has these really little compact sizes that I think is going to be great. Maybe write a little to-do or what class you're going to be taking that day until you get used to your schedule, or writing notes to your roommate. This is really great communication. Hey, I'm going to be here. I just think like safety and things like that is very, very important in communicating, you know, where you're going to kind of be. Next up is a cute little first aid kit, which, by the way, I think this is a new item alert. I haven't seen this. Maybe it's been around for a while. It's a little travel size. They probably need something a little bit bigger, but I wanted to go ahead and get this for the girls and throw it into, you know, one of the acrylic drawer systems that I want to get. Next up is going to be a car item. However, it is a vent clip, and this is going to be great to attach to vents in the dorm room. I don't think that you can have candles. I haven't really heard anything about that, but I don't really know how that works or not. But this is a great safe way to brighten up the room. You can just clip these to the vent in the room and voila, you have a really nice smell. This is a lemon berry. I have not seen this at Dollar Tree, this scent, so I feel like this one is new. Up is this clip-on book light. Is this just not kind of self-explanatory? You are, in most cases, you are living with someone else. Sometimes you don't know who that person is because you're going to a college that no one else you know is going there. So you just get a kind of a random roommate and you just don't know how you're going to, you know, mesh together in living. Somebody maybe likes to go to sleep early. So this is just a great way if you need to do some late night studying, you don't keep a big light on and you just have this little clip. And it's a little light. You can just read, study, whatever you gotta do. Here is another light system. It's a push light. I feel like these are going to be great for a just any space under your desk, maybe by your bed or in your closet. Another light system is going to be a flashlight. I feel like this is just a must essential item to take to college. Next up is going to be some cute reusable to-go coffee cups. The girls are going to take a Keurig and maybe they want to make their coffee to go and take it with them to class. So here you go. They've got these at Dollar Tree. They are BPA free, dishwasher safe, and microwave safe, which is amazing. And the very last items have been at Dollar Tree for quite some time. I feel like they're going to be a great little space saver. And it's these, what do they call these? They're just little organizer containers, but they have a magnet on them. So they could just store all kinds of little things in here. Maybe tea packets, sugar packets, things like that for their coffee, and attach it to their little mini fridge. So these are going to be perfect and great for college for that use. And that is it for what I think are the best college essentials coming from Dollar Tree. Comment down below, let me know if there's an item from Dollar Tree that you think I missed, that would be great, or give us some ideas on some essentials. Definitely check out my Amazon haul so that you can see all of the bigger items that you can't necessarily get from Dollar Tree, because I think I found quite quite a few amazing little pieces that really gonna maximize a small space. But that's it for today's video. Come back and see what my next Dollar Tree College Series haul is going to be, what category that is, and hopefully I'll see you guys there. Bye.